Take a good side of his face, guys, but I have to show it in a while so they can see who we're working with. So yeah, guys, as you can see, obviously US30 did us 30, but also gonna go to the same direction that we anticipated. So I'm gonna remove these. Wait, okay, just a quick cough. So this is gonna be our take profit, but yeah, shit happens. So I'm gonna have to be marking this as our high, or should I say demand zone? Okay. This is gonna be our demand zone, or should I say breakup here, guys, using the daily time frame. So anticipation was to obviously hit this low, but now we're targeting lower lows now. So now we're anticipating to obviously hit between these candlesticks here because it's a lot of volatility. If you don't know, get into the GMFX, guys. As we're open for more conversations and more into fixing the strategy, guys. Because hey, working hard on something that ain't doing as good is not good. So yeah. So okay, we can see these areas that were marked that are useless as it got liquidated. Doesn't look to the otherwise. Okay, let me give you a quick review, guys, on what is the cause of it buying this high. So quick switch up. Okay, quick switch up. I'm gonna make this a 5 minute video. As you can see, guys. What the heck is happening? Okay, as you can see, there's a switch up between the candlestick that was from bearish to bullish because of the volatility and liquidity that was observed by the news that weren't even there. But US30 usually understood the difference between buyer volatility and selling volatility by switching it up from demand and structure, but in retesting into bearish short time and then bullish into spiking a full candlestick, liquidating. I don't know, I think about three candlesticks we have here higher. Bullish liquidating three bearish candlesticks with the volatility of making sure that once it sells without looking bad at all, guys. So trust your process, trust your system, and trust your setup as well. So let's get straight to the entry points. Entry points here, first and foremost, guys, we have a breakup block here that will be touched in a couple of weeks. I'm sure about that, guys. I'm sure about that because US30, guys, is the friendliest and craziest trading pair ever. Literally, it is the craziest thing. It can make you from 10K to 100K, from 10K to fucking 500K in one setup, guys. It depends on the risk, though. Depends on the setup, the entry point, as we also hit snipers, guys. I hit my target clean, guys. I hit my target clean. So, for the gaps, the gap is just insane, guys. Literally, it's insane. It's like it's separating the area that I was speaking about here. The volatility, the liquidity is insane. It is drastically insane, guys. Because even if you're a buyer that was still holding on this kind of thing, you're gone. It's like you're a mosquito. Bang, spag, like nothing happened. So that's how it goes, guys. That's how it goes. But one thing I can say, if you didn't enter at this area, there's a less opportunity of you catching this beautiful trade, guys. And here we are, as we're marking little point point of interest is, guys, that we can see for ourselves. And if you have more questions, just join our community, and the rest will be mystery. Here are another areas, guys, of point of interest that we can see. But one thing I can say is we're not gonna buy more than this, actually, because we just entered this area, this EMA, which is gonna be a fake demand zone. That's what I can say. But this area, we're gonna be using it to buy to the upside to obviously go and use this because as it comes, those data might be crazy, but we cannot leave this area of interest. We cannot. That's gonna be crazy. But if it does, we're gonna be short on this page. Paddling with the 40, I'm not gonna be talking about grand price of traders, so yeah, why not? So yeah, guys, we're gonna be buying to reach this area. Obviously, covering this fair value gaps, this liquidity gaps to buy, retest between these 2 point of interest, and then obviously we're shorting, guys. We're hitting a long short to the downside. So enough further ado, as we say, we're watching from afar, and we are rooting for you guys. So without further ado, catch you later, guys. Don't enter short positions until you get a full confirmation on US30 pulling back to retest on these favorite gaps. Because if not, you're gonna get whacked.